Apple AirPods versus 5 competitors, a pros and cons comparison. Comparison of Apple AirPods with 5 competitors, pros and cons. Apple's AirPods have become a household name in wireless earbuds thanks to their sleek design, impressive sound quality, and seamless integration with Apple devices. However, with numerous alternatives available on the market, it can be difficult to choose the best pair of wireless earbuds for your needs. In this comparison, we'll take a look at 5 competitors to Apple AirPods, including their pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision. Sony Alux M5. Pros: superior noise cancellation. The Sony WF-1000XM5 is renowned for its industry-leading noise cancellation capabilities, surpassing even the AirPods Pro. If you're looking for earbuds that block out the world around you, these are an excellent choice. Sound quality. These earbuds offer excellent sounding with a balanced, rich sound that's ideal for audiophiles. The LDAC support and high-res audio are added bonuses for those who value high-fidelity audio. Long battery life. With up to 8 hours of playback with noise cancellation on, these earbuds provide longer battery life than AirPods Pro, which max out at 6 hours. Customizable fit. They come with multiple earbud tips to ensure a snug fit, improving both comfort and sound isolation. Cons. Price. The Sony WF-1000XM5 is quite expensive, often priced similarly to or higher than the AirPods Pro. Size. The earbuds are larger and bulkier than the AirPods, making them less discreet.